In B, we want to find the instantaneous rate of change when A is equal to 2. So first thing we need is f of 2. So that's going to be 2 times 2 cubed. That's going to be 16. So we're going to get the limit as x approaches 2 of 2x cubed. There's our f of x minus 16 over x minus 2. Notice that we could pull a 2 out of this, x cubed minus 8. And x cubed minus 8 is a difference of cubes. So when we have a difference of cubes, or if I have, just in case, x cubed plus or minus, let's say, y cubed, this is going to be x plus or minus y, right? The signs don't change. We're taking the cube root of both of these terms. And then I always remember this as square product square. I'm going to take the square of the first term. That's going to be an x squared. I'm going to take the product of these two terms, x and y. So it's going to be an xy. And then the square of the last term, so a y squared. And then the sign's going to be different, right? So sometimes in school, they use like SOAP as the acronym. So SOAP stands for same, opposite, and then always positive. So what that means is that this sign here and this sign here will always be, oh, wait, no, less. It means that this sign here and this sign here will always be the same. So it's going to be plus or minus whatever we had in here. How am I doing? So this sign, I'm so screwing this up. We have an x plus y. So these two signs are going to be the same. I'm going to so get a cup of coffee after this. This sign in between them is going to be the opposite of this sign here. So if it's positive, it would be negative. If it was negative, it'd be positive. And then that side of thing is always positive. Long story short, when you factor x cubed minus 8, we're going to get 2. So we have this limit as x approaches 2, 2x minus 2, right? Because the cube root of x cubed is x, cube root of 8 is 2, minus because we're going to have the same sign that we have between the x cubed and the 8. We're going to square the x. We're going to take the product of 2 and x, and then we're going to square the last term, which is 4. Opposite sign. So if this was subtraction between x cubed and 8, this is going to be plus, and that's also plus. And then we still have this x minus 2 here, right? These cancel. And we have the limit as x approaches 2 of 2x squared plus 2x plus 4. We're going to throw a 2 in for every x. So that's going to be 4, 4, and 4. So that's 12. So we should get 24 as our instantaneous rate of change, aka our instantaneous rate of change.